Hi everyone! In this video we will evaluate a rational expression. Evaluate the quantity f minus 2g squared plus 30 divided by the quantity negative 5f minus 6g plus 10 when f equals negative 2 and g equals 3. To evaluate this, we'll need to substitute a negative 2 into every variable of f and a 3 into every variable that's a g. So let's go ahead and substitute those in using parentheses to substitute. So we get negative 2 for f, minus 2, and we'll substitute 3 in for g, again using parentheses. This helps to make sure that we don't get any operations or positives and negatives mixed up. And then plus 30, this is all over negative 5, again replacing the f with parentheses and substituting the negative 2 in, minus 6, replacing the g with parentheses to put in our 3, and plus 10. Now, we don't have a large set of parentheses indicating the numerator and the denominator, but it is there because we have this long division sign. So we really need to work in the top and the bottom as if there are these implied parentheses, and still following the order of operations. So in the numerator, we'll go ahead and do the exponent first. So we have 3 squared, which is 9. So we'll rewrite this as negative 2 minus 2 times 9 plus 30. And this is over in the denominator. I don't have any exponents, but we could go ahead and do some multiplication first. Negative 5 times negative 2 is positive 10. And 6 times 3 is 18, so minus 18 plus 10. And now for our next step, we can move on in the numerator with the multiplication step. Negative 2 isn't multiplied to anything, so it's still negative 2. 2 times 9 is 18, so we have minus 18, and we still have the 30. In the denominator, we can go ahead and rewrite this just so that we'll be on the same step when we come down here, which will be all of the adding and subtracting. So in the numerator, we will add and subtract from left to right. Negative 2 minus 18 is negative 20, plus the 30 still remains. 10 minus 18 is negative 8, plus 10. And then we can go ahead and finish the last, which is negative 20 plus 30, that's 10. And in the denominator, negative 8 plus 10 is positive 2. And then we can go ahead and now we can simplify that rational expression as our last step, and 10 divided by 2 is 5. And now we're all done.